Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to create a Reddit community. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you want to do is to log into your Reddit account. I have already logged in with my username and password. And on the left panel from my timeline, you can tell the number of communities that I have subscribed to. This, of course, includes the announcements, biology, futurology, gadgets, among many others. Sometimes I may be tempted to create my own community so that I can be sharing updates to people who are interested in my niche of content. Well, to do that, in creating a community, I'll navigate on the left panel where we have the communities, and by scrolling up where we have the title communities, there's an option for creating a community. I will click on create a community option, and I'm required to enter a name for my community. I'll call it test community, and I want also to choose the type of community I'm creating. I can select public to allow the community to be accessible by anyone else in Reddit. I can restrict so that only approved users can contribute, and I can make it private so that only approved users can submit content to this community. Depending on your niche, I may also want it to be an 18+ community, and anyone below the age of 18 is not allowed to access the content in there. For this demonstration, I will allow this to be a public community, and I'll click on create that community. So it says community doesn't recognize, and I know that's because of what the space here. There, so I've just added that. So select create. Tells me the name is taken, so I'll do test community. So I've changed this to test community _ video. Click that to see if it's available. Boom, it's available. So now you can see the community that I have created, which is a test community video. So there are a number of things I can do in this test community. First of all, I can put on a cover page by clicking on the pencil option here, browse from my computer. I select that to be my image. I can also change the community's profile picture up here. In this case, by just clicking on that profile picture, I have the ability to browse from my computer. I'll click on computer, and I'll navigate into my computer to find a profile picture that fits. And once it uploads, that's how it looks like. I can change that to dark mode if I want to, and that is done. Well, that is how you create a Reddit community. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button, and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.